2021 Kcse Mathematics Paper 2. So we are told number 6. Four quantities P, Q, R, and S are such that P varies directly as a square root of Q. So we can write that P varies directly as a square root of Q like that, and inversely as a square of the difference of R and S. So how do we write that? We say it is a square, that is difference of R minus S, and you square. So that is what has been that is what that statement means. Quantity Q is increased by 44%, while quantity R and S are each decreased by 10%. Find the corresponding percentage change in P correct to 1 decimal place. Now, Q, the new Q will mean it is 1.44 of the old Q. That is an increase of 44%. Then we have R. The new R is equals to it decreased by 10%, so it is 0.9 R of the old R, and Q, not Q but S, the new S is equals to 0.9 of the old S. So we can now have get the new P. It means the new P is equals to, or not is equals to, but varies with the new Q. Since we have that is, we can first of all write it like this: our new Q divided by our R minus our S, the new S. This is square. So what you do is you now replace our new Q with these values. You can jump this step, but this just for demonstration. Our new Q is the square root of 1.44 of the old Q. You divide by 0.9 of the old R minus 0.9 of the old S, and this is squared. Now we can say our new P is equals to the square root of 1.44 is actually 1.2, and we get the square root of Q. You divide by, we factor out 0.9, will be, since it is common for both R and S, will be, and this is squared, that should be square. You have S minus R minus S squared. So you find that this P, the new P, is equals to what we have here. Let me use what we have here is actually the old P. If you divide by 1.2 divide by 0.49, you will be able to get it is 1.4814, and this one now represent the P, this one. So we say it is P. So you can say the difference is P increased by 48.1. That is percent to one decimal place. So that's how you work out that question, and you should be able to get 4 marks.